जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 211th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Gurutamaya Gurave Namaha. Oh Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the foremost among all the preceptors. You are the supreme teacher. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Gurutamaya Gurave Namaha. Om Gurutamaya Gurave Namaha. While meditating upon the Supreme Teacher Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sita Rama Lakshmana, three of them are there in Bharadvaja Maharshi Ashramam. Bharadvaja Maharshi is saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, the Chitrakutam is the best place for you to live. There are so many great sages lived on that Chitrakuta Parvatam, and they did tapasya, and they were blessed enough to go to heaven along with their bodies. Oh Rama, there won't be so many people on Chitrakutam. That place is the best fitting place for you to live on." Then after that, Ramachandra Swami and Bharadvaja Maharshi that night sat together. Chitraha Kathayatah Kathaha. They talked about so many things, and slowly it got late night. Then Sita Rama Lakshmana, three of them took rest, because they were all these days in very much comfortable zone. Now they got, after walking so long, they got so much tired. It looks like three of them rested and slept very well. Then in the morning, Sri Ramachandra Swami got up and came to Bharadvaja Maharshi and saying that, "Oh Maharshi, we are very happy that you gave us shelter for last night. We really rested very well. And now we are going to go. As you suggested, we are going to be living on Chitrakutam. Please, now you give us permission to leave. We are now going to be leaving this place." Then Bharadvaja Maharshi says, "Ho Rama, Vasam Aupayikam Manye Tava Rama Mahabala Nana Nagaganopetaha Kinnara Uragasevitaha." Rama, as I said, Chitrakutam is the best place. There are so many mountains in a row. It looks so beautiful. And there comes several Kinnaras, the divine devatas, they come there. And there will be so many peacocks. There will be so many elephants. And you will find enough fruits and herbs for you to live on. Rama, there are so many rivers, so many ponds, so many lakes, and there will be so many deers and elephants comes in a groups. This place, Chitrakutam, looks very beautiful, very peaceful. You can definitely relax there along with your Sita on this Chitrakutam. Like that, Bharadvaja Maharshi, after saying all these things, Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, now they are slowly moving away from that Bharadvaja Maharshi ashramam. Bharadvaja Maharshi giving them send off and giving them blessings. Swasti Ayanam Maharshihi Sachakaraha. Bharadvaja Maharshi blessing three of them, giving his Mangala Sasanams to Sita, Rama, Lakshmana. And the scene looking like as and how a father sends off his children. A father as and how he feels while his children are going away, traveling far distance. Like that, Tan Prekshya Pita Putran Ivan Vagat. Bharadvaja Maharshi also giving send off like that to Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, as if a father gives to the children. Bharadvaja Maharshi also feeling the same kind of pain as and how father feels the pain when the children are going away from him. After that, what is going to happen, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. From today onwards, 23rd sloka. Guruhu Gurutamo Dhama Satya Satya Parakramaha Nimishaha Animishaha Sragvi Vachaspatihi Udaradhihi Om Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Please go to narayanastram.org and register over there. You will get an email in which you will find your Narayanastram. Narayanastram means one sloka from Ramayana, one sloka from Gita, one namam from Vishnu Sahasranamam. You just have to keep chanting every day at least one time, which will take about 1 minute. And like this, if everyone starts doing that, everybody will be getting the fruit of chanting of entire Ramayana and 33 times Gita Parayan and 24 times Vishnu Sahasrana Parayan every day. Let us not ignore this, let us not neglect this. Just by spending 1 minute, we are going to be enjoying that big fruit. And not only that, because this is going to be spreading all over the world, because everybody does, that is how we will be able to attain Loka Kalyanam. Loka Kalyanam means we will be safe, we will be peaceful, and also neighbor will be peaceful, neighbor will be safe, and everybody will be safe. It is our responsibility to work towards attaining world's welfare, world's peace. Om Gurutamaya Gurave Namaha. Om Gurutamaya Gurave Namaha. Om Gurutamaya Gurave Namaha.